Welcome to the second video in an analysis of Essay N for TOK. This essay scored a perfect 10. In the last video we analyzed the introduction, and in this video we will analyze the first claim and counterclaim paragraphs, which both focus on religion. We have to come back to the prescribed title. The whole point in knowledge is to produce both meaning and purpose in our personal lives. Assess the validity of this statement. So this essay will explore at what points religion, the whole point is to produce meaning and purpose, and then it will have a counterclaim paragraph where it will say that religion doesn't produce meaning and purpose. So looking at both sides. So now you've read the first body paragraph about religion. Let's take a look at the planner. So for each paragraph you need to have a knowledge claim. That's why the planner's here, asking you to make a claim about the prescribed title and the area of knowledge. So this claim in this paragraph is that religion creates purpose and helps find meaning, because that's what religion was created for. That's the intention of religion. And there's these TOK concepts. These are all listed at the bottom of the planner here, and they are to help you put TOK ideas into your writing, which you have to do to score higher. So what can you say about these concepts? Well, one of the concepts is a hierarchy, and a spiritual hierarchy, God, and there's a whole system that makes me not the center of the universe. Okay, there's a concept, a knowledge concept. There's also belief that man's not the center of the universe, and then these are also concepts, moral obligation and ethical codes, that religion contributes these. So a lot of these vocabulary words that show great understanding. And then another thing you can do in the conceptual area is compare to another area of knowledge, which they do to ethics and philosophy, saying it's providing an ethical code. So lots of concepts in this paragraph, and pointing out that it doesn't matter what way you use religion or what religion you have, it's all related to finding purpose and meaning for many people. Some people use church, some people use meditation, but when you are studying a religion, you're thinking about what is my purpose and what is my meaning, and in that way religion exists to answer that question, and this paragraph perfectly addresses the prescribed title. So now you've read the religion counterclaim paragraph. This is really a rather straightforward paragraph. It says basically religious knowledge can be corrupted because some people use religion to gather power. So there's a TOK concept of morals, and power can corrupt your morals. And then the real life situation they author, they say the Catholic Church. I find this to be a little bit vague in this essay. They could have offered a specific example. There are some to think of with the Catholic Church. They stay very vague on it. I would encourage this student to put in maybe a one-sentence example, such as, and then an example of the Catholic Church abusing their power. But the point is clear nonetheless, that religious knowledge can be exploited by those to maintain power, and it fills up the paragraph organizer very nicely. When we take a look at a clean planner, you'll notice that the TOK concepts are up here on top of the real life situation. This essay really doesn't follow that format consistently. It really blends the real life situation into the concepts. Both are totally fine. As a teacher, I like to see your concepts first, because that's where you earn your points in TOK, is by having concepts and advanced ideas. If you're just describing a real life situation, you're not going to score highly. And this essay has a very good example with the Catholic Church point, that it barely even mentions the real life situation, but still scores highly because the concepts are so clear. We will continue to analyze this essay in the next video. So see you there.